Welcome, curious minds, to another installment of Simply Explained. Today, we embark on a journey into the intricate world of Ethereum. Born from the vision of a decentralized internet, Ethereum has evolved into a technological powerhouse. It's not merely another cryptocurrency, it's a comprehensive blockchain platform for decentralized applications. Envision a global supercomputer accessible to everyone, ensuring secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant data. That's Ethereum for you. While its native cryptocurrency Ether ranks second by market cap, Ethereum's true strength lies in its expansive capabilities beyond digital currency. It serves as the backbone for the burgeoning decentralized finance sector, powering smart contracts and DApps, decentralized applications, that reshape our interaction with money and the digital world. Now, armed with a basic understanding of Ethereum, let's dive deeper into its mechanics. Picture Ethereum as a global supercomputer where everyone can contribute. Let's delve into understanding the Ethereum blockchain, a colossal public ledger that goes beyond mere transaction recording. It's transparent, secure, and tamper-proof, revolutionizing the game. The Ethereum blockchain comprises a decentralized network of computers or nodes, each holding a copy of this public ledger. Unlike traditional databases stored in one place, the Ethereum blockchain is distributed worldwide, ensuring no single entity controls it. This decentralized nature provides unparalleled transparency and security. Now, what sets Ethereum apart is its support for smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. Let's break these down. Imagine a rental agreement being self-executing through lines of code, a smart contract. It's automatic, transparent, and irreversible. Now, envision applications running on the Ethereum blockchain, leveraging its decentralized nature and smart contracts. These are DApps. They offer a range of services from games to decentralized finance solutions, providing users with transparency and control over their data. The Ethereum blockchain serves as the hub where smart contracts and DApps come to life. It's the platform enabling developers to create innovative applications, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that Ethereum, like any technology, faces challenges. Scalability issues, high transaction fees, and energy consumption are hurdles actively addressed by the Ethereum community. The Ethereum blockchain is a revolutionary technology reshaping industries, but no technology is without its challenges. As with any technology, Ethereum has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. One of the most lauded advantages of Ethereum is its decentralization. This means that Ethereum isn't controlled by any single entity. It's like a global community garden where everyone can contribute and benefit, rather than being a single person's backyard. With Ethereum, your data isn't entrusted to a single company. Instead, it's distributed across a vast network of computers worldwide. Moving on to smart contracts, imagine an automated vending machine that doesn't just dispense snacks, but executes agreements without the need for a middleman. That's precisely what smart contracts on Ethereum do. They follow a set of coded instructions and execute actions when specific conditions are met. This automation opens up a world of possibilities in various sectors, from finance to real estate. Then there are DApps, or decentralized applications. These applications run on the Ethereum blockchain, leveraging its decentralized nature and smart contracts. They offer a range of services, from games to decentralized finance solutions, providing users with transparency and control over their data. However, every rose has its thorns. One of the main challenges Ethereum faces is scalability. Currently, Ethereum can only handle a limited number of transactions per second, leading to slower transaction times and higher fees, especially during peak periods. It's akin to trying to push a watermelon through a garden hose. The Ethereum community is actively working on solutions, but it's a complex problem that requires time to solve. Another crucial aspect is the environmental impact. Ethereum transitioned to its proof-of-stake mechanism in 2022 because it is more secure, less energy-intensive, and better for implementing new scaling solutions compared to the previous proof-of-work architecture. This switch aligns with the broader commitment to sustainability in blockchain technology. Understanding the pros and cons of Ethereum helps us appreciate the complexity and potential of this groundbreaking technology. One topic that frequently arises when discussing Ethereum is gas fees. If you're wondering why these gas fees can be remarkably high, let's delve into it. Ethereum, with its current architecture, can process up to 15 transactions per second. However, with millions of users simultaneously utilizing the blockchain, the network often experiences congestion. When you initiate a transaction, it enters into competition with numerous other transactions, all vying to be included in the next block and sent to the network for validation. To draw a parallel, imagine a busy highway during rush hour. Each vehicle, transaction, is striving to reach its destination, get processed and validated in the shortest time possible. The limited capacity of the road, Ethereum's transaction processing capability, leads to congestion, causing delays. So when you encounter high gas fees, it's a direct consequence of this congestion. Users who are willing to pay higher fees can expedite their transactions, effectively jumping the queue and ensuring their transaction is processed sooner. The purpose of these fees is twofold. First, they incentivize miners to prioritize and validate your transactions because they receive these fees as a reward. Second, they protect the network from spam and malicious activities by making it expensive to carry out such actions. However, the amount you pay as gas fees can fluctuate due to network congestion and demand. Just as express shipping costs more, if you want your transaction to be processed faster, you would have to pay a higher gas fee. Gas fees, while sometimes high, are a necessary part of keeping the Ethereum network secure and efficient. From its inception to its current state, Ethereum has significantly impacted the world of blockchain technology. We've journeyed through its complex structure, unpacked the intricacies of its blockchain, and even delved into the murky depths of gas fees. We've weighed the pros and cons, and I hope you now have a clearer picture of Ethereum's role in our ever-evolving digital landscape. Ethereum's potential is vast. It's more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform for innovation, a foundation for a new era of finance and technology. However, like all things, it has its drawbacks. The gas fees, the scalability issues, these are hurdles that Ethereum must overcome. Yet the journey of Ethereum is far from over. It continues to evolve, to adapt, to push the boundaries of what's possible. So keep an eye on this space. Ethereum's ongoing developments and innovations are poised to shape the future of blockchain technology. As we conclude this video, remember that Ethereum is here to stay. Before we wrap up, if you found the video insightful and wish to stay updated on the latest developments in the world of blockchain and technology, consider subscribing to our channel. Your subscription ensures you won't miss any of our future explanation videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep curious. See you on the next one.